A home inspection is your best opportunity to uncover hidden disasters before you are legally committed to the property. Major cracks in the foundation or a sagging roofline are massive red flags that often indicate structural instability. You should also look closely for signs of active water damage or persistent mold growth in the basement and attic. Electrical systems with outdated knob-end tube wiring or faulty panels can be a significant fire hazard and very expensive to replace. A failing HVAC system or a water heater that is over 15 years old should be negotiated as a major credit at closing. Horizontal cracks in foundation walls are far more dangerous than vertical ones and usually require a structural engineer's review. Sellers may try to hide these issues with fresh paint, so always trust your professional inspector's tools and expertise. At lower mortgage rates, we want you to buy with your head, not just your heart, to ensure a safe and smart investment.